Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Furqan Abdulaziz. I'm from 9th grade, especially 9A, and today I want to present to you all about my study and project plan. This presentation is pointing about what will I do in the future, especially in my study and career. And without further ado, let's just go into the presentation. Okay, introduction. So, uh, just in simple, about my study plan, my further education plan. Because now I'm in IDN boarding school, I want to continue in SMK IDN boarding school because I have seen on opportunities in and give some interest in development, and because in SMK IDN boarding school have one of the major that is RPL, I want to take the RPL major, and then for the college I still have not chosen, but there is some kind of uh, what reference that I will choose. The first is ITB, and the second, if can, the second choice, I want to go study abroad. I think if not going to Malaysia, I will study abroad into another countries. And about my career plan, for my career plan, now I haven't make it, but I was really interested on do remote work. So I'm was working in Indonesia, but my company it's on the other countries. I have some uh, alasan. I have some reason why that I was really interested on remote work, because the first reason is because we have a different money. Like for example, in the US, they are using USD, and in here we are using rupiah. One USD means have the same value as 17,000 rupiah, and as you can see, there is a very big difference in each of the values. Because of that, I was thinking that maybe I will have more profits if I can get a remote works in any countries except in Indonesia. That's why I have some plan overview to reach that point. For the goals for this year, I want to finishing React, Tailwind CSS, and also Next.js, and also learning about databases before the end of 9th grade. Why? Because this is really important, because it was actually hooked into what that I want to do in my career plan in the future. For the development, I will using Scrimba to learning all of the lessons that I have mentioned before, because for me Scrimba is a place where you can learn effectively, because it have some interactive videos that you can play with. And for the milestones, it's for this year actually. The milestones is making a good habit, that is learning IT, even it was just a short time. So even I'm just doing around 10 until 30 minutes each day, but it's better than I don't learning or upgrading my skills in IT each day. The next, I want to tell you about some skills and competencies that I have now. My current strength is on web developer. a type of developer who makes website according to the client request. For me, actually, I have a company called InsightPath. InsightPath already have some customers, and as a front-end developer in here, I already have some experiences. That's why in here I wrote web developer. And then the next is time management. Time management is skill to managing your time efficiently without any hesitation. Why did I wrote this? Because I strong. I think I have a good time management if I have time. Sorry, if I already set it. So, like for example, one day I have a to-do list, and because of my personality, I like to do all the to-do list first. After that, I can do another things. And then the last, my current strength is a planner person, a type of person who like to make plans on anything and always preparing a backup plan on anything also. And then because I have the current plans, also I have some areas for development in the future. That is, I need to develop on my mood actually, because I always usually do things on my mood. The next is too sensitive on critics, and then the last is one of the most important point, that is English communication. For exactly, I want to have at least fluent English, so I can still talking to international people without thinking it was hard or anything. The next, I have my study and career plan. In here, I already divide into three points. That is short term, 1 until 3 years. The second is mid-term, 3 until 5 years. And then the last is long term, 5 until 10 years in the future. The short term first, I want to, in 1 until 3 years, I want to achieving some good certification like IELTS, React, Flutter, and etc. etc. In here, maybe it was connecting to the some kind of like certification development relevant to development certification, or in some language. In here, I personally like about English. And then the next is I want to win at least 10 different competition to get some exposure or more experience, because it will we need some experience to get into some good company. Next, in midterm, 3 to 5 years, because now I'm still 9th grade. It means when I after completing my high school, later I want to targeting into college with a scholarship, or if not with scholarship, I want to go study abroad. And then for the long term, in here from 5 to 10 years, I want to do further research or create a startup focused on community solutions, or some IT industrial. The next is my professional association. I want to join some association like Fredel or GDSU or Google Development Community to get some good mentorship and good communities that I can grow with. And then the next is attend on association webinar and local networking event to connect with peers. Because if we want to work in another countries, or we want to do some scholarships, we still need some connection. So we need to do networking. That's why I want to attend in as many webinars or event as possible, because I want to do a networking with people maybe that is important. Like example, maybe he has a company in the outside of this country, and then maybe with that network I can work in there. The next is mentorship connection. My target, I want to identify one or two senior professional as a mentor for guidance on industry trend and career growth. And then the last is making a quick schedule after getting a good mentors in the industry, especially in IT. And then the next is the action plan. The objective in this action plan is making a concrete plan for the next career or study plan. In here, I have been divide what the study and the career plan. For the study plan, in here I want to focus on deep learning instead of surface memorization. The next is taking certification to strengthen academic credentials. And then the next is join competition or research event to build credibility and teamwork skills. The next and the last for study plan, that is balance personal time and study hours to avoid burnout. And then for the career plan, in here I want to build strong personal branding on LinkedIn or Read.gv or GitHub to showcasing meaningful projects in there to making a stronger personal brand, so maybe later I have more connection with. And then the next, improve communication and networking skills through events or online communities. For example, in here maybe like IDN Mengajar, GDSC, and maybe joining some communication like that. And then the next is build a personal brand and earn relevant certification to stand out. Why did I wrote this? Because now we not just only competing with the local person, but also with international person. That's why I need to build a good personal brand and relevant get relevant certification, because we need to be stand out from the other person if we want to join some company or work in some company especially in outside of this country. And then the last is stay updated with industry trends in tech, especially in edutech, embedded, and robotics, because I interest in that things. And the last, I have some work in here that maybe I will choose in the future. The first is front-end developer. Simply, it was a web developer for the UI, the user interface that you see. And then second is data analyst. The work is about managing data in some company. And then the last is full stack developer. It in simple, full stack developer is front end, the one who making the UI development, and then back end is the data development. So it combined in one job that is full stack. And for now, I really interest in front end developer because I have already mastered it. But maybe in the future I will change because of the industry tech trends or the other things. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for all of your time to review my career plan. Maybe if there is something wrong words or the other, that is from me and Shaitan, and all the right words is just only from Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. That's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.